Essential travel hacks for every adventurer. Maximizing loyalty programs can turn ordinary trips into extraordinary adventures. By collecting points and miles, travelers unlock doors to free flights and upgrades, making luxury travel accessible without the hefty price tag. Packing like a pro is an art that transforms the way you travel. Space-saving techniques, such as rolling clothes and using compression bags, allow for efficient packing, leaving room for souvenirs. Navigating airport security swiftly is all about preparation. Wearing slip-on shoes, packing liquids correctly, and having documents at hand speeds up the process, ensuring a hassle-free start to any journey. Staying connected abroad doesn't have to break the bank. Affordable mobile data and Wi-Fi solutions, like local SIM cards or international data plans, keep travelers in touch without the fear of exorbitant bills. Getting the best exchange rates for local currency involves a bit of savvy. Avoiding airport kiosks, using reputable exchange services, and understanding current rates can significantly stretch your travel budget. Overcoming jet lag is crucial for enjoying your travels from the start. Adjust your sleep schedule a few days before departure to align with your destination's time zone. Stay hydrated and avoid caffeine and alcohol during the flight to minimize jet lag's effects. Eating like a local not only immerses you in the culture but also saves you money. Explore street food markets and small eateries off the tourist path to find authentic, affordable meals. Ask locals for recommendations to discover hidden culinary gems. To save on accommodation, flexibility is key. Consider traveling during off-peak seasons and booking rooms that offer free cancellation. Utilize trusted booking sites and apps to compare prices and secure deals with value-added amenities. Understanding travel insurance options can protect you against unforeseen events. Assess the coverage you already have through credit cards or existing policies. Opt for insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage for peace of mind. Solo travel safety begins with research. Learn about your destination's safe and risky areas. Share your itinerary with trusted friends or family. Stay aware of your surroundings and trust your instincts to navigate new places confidently. Language barriers can be daunting, but technology is a great ally. Use translation apps to communicate effectively with locals. Carrying a small phrasebook is also a practical and respectful approach. Understanding and respecting cultural etiquette is vital for a harmonious journey. Research your destination's customs before you arrive. Simple gestures like greetings can make a significant difference in how you're perceived. Keeping your finances secure while traveling is paramount. Use a combination of cash, credit cards, and digital payments for flexibility. Always have a backup plan in case of theft or loss. Staying fit and healthy during your travels doesn't have to be a chore. Opt for local fresh foods over processed ones, and explore destinations by walking or biking to keep active. Eco-friendly travel is not just a trend, it's a responsibility. Choose sustainable accommodations, minimize plastic use, and support local economies. Small changes in your travel habits can have a big impact on the environment. Beating the crowds at popular attractions starts with timing. Visiting during off-peak hours, such as early morning or late afternoon, can make a world of difference in your experience. Researching and planning ahead pays off, allowing you to enjoy these sites with fewer people and more tranquility. Travel photography is all about capturing the essence of a moment with minimal gear. The key is to focus on composition and lighting. Even a smartphone can produce stunning images when used thoughtfully. Embrace the simplicity and creativity of working with what you have, and your travel photos will resonate with authenticity and emotion. Emergency preparedness while traveling cannot be overstated. Familiarize yourself with the local emergency numbers and have a basic first aid kit. Knowing a few phrases in the local language for emergencies can also be invaluable. These simple steps can make a significant difference in unexpected situations. Traveling with kids presents unique challenges but is incredibly rewarding. Engage them in the planning process to spark their interest. Pack snacks, games, and activities to keep them entertained. Remember, flexibility and patience are key to a smooth and enjoyable journey for the whole family. Seasonal travel offers the opportunity to experience destinations at their best. Researching the climate and local events can help you choose the perfect time for your visit. Whether it's avoiding the monsoon season in Asia or catching the lavender bloom in Provence, timing your trip can enhance your travel experience significantly.